The BWB airdrop is live. You can do it on the Bitget Wallet as well as the Satoshi app. But for the Satoshi app, it is limited. So for those that are able to join the Satoshi app to be among the first 22,000 participants to participate on this BW points on Satoshi app, then good for you, congratulations. In case you're unable to get it on Satoshi app, or you even you were able to get it on Satoshi app, whichever, you can get the BWB airdrop, which is from the Bitget exchange, but this is Bitget wallet, not exchange. So you can take your position by registering and you claim the airdrop from the Bitget wallet itself. So this is it. The first thing to do is to register. I'll drop the registration link in the description box, as well as check the pin post in the comment section. I'll drop the registration link there. So register, use the referral code, download the app, then create a wallet. Let me repeat that. Click on the registration link that you'll be seeing in the comment section or the description box. Register, make use of the referral code to get a bonus, then download the app. After you're done download the app, you create a new wallet. But listen guys, you to back up your wallet, you will not be seeing the face key immediately you register. It's after you've registered, you'll be seeing on this home page here, you'll be seeing where they wrote back up your face key. Then click on it, write your face key down and keep it somewhere. Take note guys, while you're registering, you will not be able to see your you won't see your face key to write down. Is after you've done creating a wallet on this app. After you're done creating a wallet on this app, then you see where they wrote back up your seed face or your face key, whichever English they use. On this home page, you see it. Then click on backup and write your face key down. Very important. I'm making emphasis on that so you don't make a mistake. So when you are done backing up the face key, then proceed to claim this airdrop. You see BW airdrop, and I click on it. Jump into now. So let's see. We're gonna claim the airdrop together. You see get Bitget wallet airdrop. I'll click on claim. You see it started March 18th to April 28th. That's when it converts points into BWB. Then it will be listing on by Q2, which is between April, May, June. That's when you should be expecting the listing. So let me just scroll to claim airdrop. I'm gonna make a signature. So the moment you're seeing this video, make sure you take your position immediately. Okay, then if you download the app immediately from either Play Store or App Store, you don't go through the registration link, then you have to use the invite code here. That's if you download the app from either Play Store or App Store directly, then you have to enter the invite code here. But if you register through the link, then automatically, and you downloaded the app from the link, you won't need to add the referral code here again. This is what we have after you've click on claim airdrop. Then I'll click on claim now, and I think you have to make some few swaps to get additional points. I think it's a require fair airdrop for new users, require swap transactions to unlock. Let me click claim first. Okay, the free 50 points, you for the free 50 points, you don't need to do any transaction. But if I click on this earn more BWB, okay, trade for 3 days daily volume greater than or equals to $100 to unlock your 50 new user points. Okay, that means you have to make trade of $100 or above in volume. Let me click on trade now. I can use BNB or USDT to make this trading, or Polygon, Matic, or Habitron, or Solana, or BTC, or Tron. So okay, I think I have some BNB. Let me just use BNB. Can swap from BNB to Polygon network, or Polygon to BNB, whichever. So to make your to do your unlocking, make some trade volumes. The trade volume is not necessarily it does not mean that you have to deposit $100. You just have to make a trade volume of $100. What $100 to be on this, and you'll be able to unlock the 50 points that you've gotten. So I think I will come back to this. Okay, BW points added, view records, include 50 new users that require swap. And 10 points for every 100 swap volumes. Okay. Cap at 100 points daily. And 2 points for every $500 in wallet holdings. Cap at 20 points daily. So these are more ways to earn points. And these BWB Airdrop points. These are more ways to do it, to earn points. You earn 10 points when you trade $100 in volume. Then you also earn 2 points for every $500 in your wallet every day. Meaning that if you have $500 in your wallet, you earn 2 points every day. And if you trade $100 volume, you earn 10 points every day. As simple as that. So that is how to earn more points apart from these 50 points that you've gotten. This is more way. These are the other 2 ways to earn this trading and holding. You can earn BWB point daily by participating in various activities on the Bitget Wallet app, including inviting friends, maintaining wallet balance, and completing swap. So that is how to earn more points. So guys, this is all about the Bitget wallet airdrop claiming. So I'll bring back more information as things involved. Just make sure you take your position immediately you are seeing this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also join the Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates. Bye for now, and see you guys on the next one.